Here you have it, live. Color and Book Boss there. I represent for Wrld TV, and you know, so my channel that. First, I want to big up one of my fans. I mean, I talk one of my real fans, Leona from Marchtown. And you know, say, yo, I receive cool sugar. Big up yourself. Color and Book, I big up you. So here I go on and I say a movie now, a movie and nice, very nice, a movie and the family can sit down and watch. And you see a movie in name Secret and Lie. When I say name Secret and Lie, so people you can share it, tell a friend and make a friend, tell a friend. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. A matter of fact, just comment and tell me what you like and what you not like. Wrld TV, a PA movie will come out. So just tune in. Big up all of my fans them. Clarendon, St. Mary, Mobius, Senti, all of my fans them. And big up his strength them I get. Public, Popidan, Tia, Marika, Pinky, Davidan, Mr. Neil, you know, so I want a new actor. I want to big up myself and Father God. You get it? Long time. Wrld TV, for the people and only for the people. Room, one in head. Shh.
Hey boy, no move.
Hey boy! Good work, partner. Hey boy, what you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Eh?
Nah, nothing. Nah, nothing, man. Nah, nothing.
You know nothing?
No, no.
Eh?
Nah, nothing.
What mean you say nothing?
Nah, nothing, father.
What mean you say nothing?
Nah, nothing.
Eh? Hey boy, no, how it was. Come on, that's all. Eh?
Father.
That's some knocking your back, boy. Hey! You make me a run, hey!
Father,
No!
father.
What mean you say father?
Father.
Eh? Somebody can do that. Eh? Somebody can do that. Good work, partner. Eh?
Father, me nah nothing.
Let me say nothing for you.
Nah,
Eh?
nothing for me.
You sure? Me sure say me that man tell me say I've gun, you know.
Father, me nah nothing.
Where put the gun? Where put the gun?
Me nah no gun.
Where put the gun?
Me nah no gun.
Me see where put the gun?
Me nah no gun.
You know the gun?
Nah, no gun. You nah have to deal with me, so father.
Let me see if I do so.
Officer, me nah no gun.
Yo.
You see, even I'm-
Partner, so how you know some there so? Yo, you're easy, I'm ready, you know. Hey boy, yo, my people knock up your nice bomb nice place again, my boy. Let me say easy. You know, farm me run from, boy.
Ah, this.
Partner, what is a partner?
Hold on, me.
Partner, you know some there run a partner. Good work, you know. Go some man, go so. Go some, Mr. Man, I want to jump kick in him, sure. A road runner. Eh? What you say your name? David Neil for me, sir. That you say. Whether you know say me I must drop. Me I must drop. Hey, shut your mouth, me I talk to you. It's in the place where you're right now. Is what me want your answer to. Cause right now we just turn off the camera and things that you could spot there so. Yeah. I'm a bridge now one like a gun ready for bust your brain just in case, cause we have it as, you know, on the red list. You know red list? That's why in a red room. You understand me I say? So we can't do anything we want in that place, sir. What if you hear me I say? You hear me I say? Brother, talk to me, talk up to me. Yeah man, respond man, yeah. Are you on my bridge and just do a thing and make it understand what I'm going?
Man, me hear they start talk.
Oh, you have mouth? You have mouth? Alright, Mr. Roadrunner, Mr. Neil, Mr. David, whatever you want to call yourself. Yo, much time I carry can lock up in a place. Eh? You know, tired for the trouble boy. Hmm? You know, tired for you sell things all over the place. Eh?
Father, we are so step, my father. You just start running me down
Alright.
bus up all
Hear me, I say. Right now, I ask you one serious question. And if you answer me based on your answers, I can actually say, boy, I beg for you, make you come out in a 1 week or 2 weeks. There's a little scamming thing, one little scandal thing with people, married people, and I shoot them and all them things there. That's them body a bush. Be a gunner, beside body like some setup thing. So people are married people, and I take with them things legally, but at the end of the day, them kill off people. Yeah?
Yeah.
You know nothing about that, sir?
Father, you see a ring for my finger.
No, I say you married. I say if you know nothing about what I go on, because we know say you know everything, Mr. Roadrunner.
Mr. Neil. Father, I don't know nothing about that.
Alright, Mr. Neil, you know nothing about that?
I don't know nothing about what you're talking about.
Alright, so you know say right now we have a gun. Right?
Yeah.
And me I tell you say we have a gun. I want a lady then called Tia Head right now.
Yeah.
Because we want you to understand that it's serious. You get one phone, make a call. Mr. Bailiff, sir. Hey! Yeah, man. Let me have phone now 1 second. Come left me like here.
See, man, they carry phone. Come right there, sir.
Yeah, respect. Yeah, man, this is unlimited credit. You can call her and find out how really I go on.
Hello?
No. Me say you call her. You done, sir, something. You see phone off. Come like that man and no blinking sense to baseball.
Yeah, you look out the sense now.
All right.
Down there knocking on your wall.
Dial the number first, and then you call her. Man, I come like in and no blinking.
It's strange number this I call me phone.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, baby, I jail me there. But I'm in our room.
What? You get locked up for what, Davy?
Don't worry about all of that, man. Everything's going good. Because them hold me on some wrong things. I'll call up my name for one because of suspicion. But they are try about one good youth and...
Yeah, man. So here now.
Not tell him nothing.
We have your number now, and we actually have our file for you.
Where's the police? Why?
Because at the end of the
Forward
day...
fool. Hang up your call.
Where's the Davy? Hang up, right? What is money? Some money I put me in my problem now.
Yo, lady, if... Bailiff! Yeah, man. Run the number and set the GPS for the tracking for me fast, quick and fast. Yeah.
Show me other number that you know.
Don't worry yourself, everything good.
Yeah, very good.
You know, say, you know where you there?
You're not jail, but me soon come out.
Stop it. Yo. Come out, Hey, boy, you know where you there? Eh? Have me a run up and down this place, sir. Eh? Me I give you one. Hey, wanna bring him around for me there. Go on.
Good evening, Uncle Barry.
Evelyn.
What's up?
Why, you know me there I go and service my machine.
Me realize can I just go for ask if a puppy care pat down.
Pop down. Girl,
Yeah.
you're the road when I pop down. Anytime you call me, I'm ready, no man. What do you? The machine have it in a tip-top condition.
Boy, so how your day go so far?
Well, so far, just wake up and I go out on the road. Everything good. How you?
Me not so good at all, you know say. I something come for say to you.
Both one now.
Boy, your son,
Warm to him.
Davy. Warm team.
Mm-hmm.
You know, say, as me there in my yard, and me get one call from police.
Police.
Yes, one strange number. Then me hear Davy attack. So police lock him up.
For one now.
For one now,
Mm-hmm.
I don't know yet, you know. Me don't know what you do, you know.
Boy, that boy didn't listen, you know. He not listen at all. You know, some talk to him all the time, though.
Me know say you talk to him only for time.
Alright. You not talk to him.
So now that's why me and your son not together no more.
When
Cause
you
me
left?
tired for talk.
But you never tell me son you left, man. Boy, me talk to him and you know some man is the boy go. The boy have 8 subject. I remember me tell you, all the while me see him friend them, I'm the only man that go to prison right now or jail. Me tired of it now, you know. Me can't manage no more.
Uncle Barry, me don't know what to say, but me did have to come and tell us say he get locked up. Me know say
Why?
educated boy, but me don't know what wrong with him. And me know
Yeah,
he come
man.
from good home, so me not understand.
The man a good accountant, you know. Why? Me don't know what to do with him, man. Tell you the truth.
Well, me just make your message be clear to you say he in the jail right now.
So what go happen now? The little money I have now, I have to spend on him.
And you have to know your son.
You know, say me an old man now, I want the money to eat.
Anyways, me I come going.
Look for you. Nice girl like you. Look how you make that mash up your life. Eh? Me not make you mash up for me neither, you know. So you say just like how me I lock this abandoned, you know. And so the police will lock him down out of jail, you know. Yeah, me not go out there, they say you go out there. But me not go out there no more. And me know your mother tired of it too.
Uncle Barry, me have to go because
Yes.
me not even know right now this whole situation I confuse my brain.
I know like we not try now, we try.
Uncle Barry, later.
Alright. Blessings,
Yeah.
man. Yes, man. You hear what they say? They say cow not hear butcher have in head. If you
So
want to hear
true.
police, I have him.
Alright, Uncle Barry.
Alright, bless up.
Yes, Officer Williams.
You know, easy, you know. But I tell you, I know I can't believe say when just the right spot at the right time. But I tell you, say, you see, them a thing I deal with time and timing. You know what I mean? But big up to themselves. But hey, long and short of a sitting, you know, say, I don't talk to the boy there. The roadrunner boy there. But we don't find nothing for him like we can hold him because, you know, people say I have gun for him, but I don't find no gun for him. I just want him to bag me fine. You know, I must run up and down and things. So basically, you know, we have to let him go.
Oh,
Yeah, we have to let him go. But you may say no, see, because, yo, I feel like we thump up him too, you know, yo, man, tell you. You have to go on with your process here. You see, same thing what Chief and talk about?
yeah.
Yeah, you have to just deal with it. Go ahead with it, but you have to be careful, you know. Because that thing,
Don't worry yourself. I got you.
yeah, man. I don't know, say, as me say, if anything, you can call me. I don't know where I go on, but me go just lay low for a bit. Text me or whatever, because you don't know a thing. Or maybe that's some place where, you know what I mean, you want me, you know, forward right away. You know a thing go. Yeah?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I got this. All right.
Yeah. But, oh, one more thing before we forget. We try if we attract the girlfriend. You understand? So we are try to go to the girlfriend yard maybe in about next 25 minutes or so. See? So when we go down there, we definitely are go you know, interrogate she before we let go the boy there. You understand? But wait for the call for me if you give the go ahead to let him go. Yeah?
Alright.
Alright, cool. So just is that me call you and get back the information and location. See? You did it still right?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah man, so even though some female that go around and I marry people them and I take with them things and things, them have some serious thugs, some gangsters, some murderers who are surround the whole thing. So remember now it's a big operation. See? It's a big operation, so be careful. Alright?
Yeah, man. Thanks for your concern.
Alright.
I've been in this thing long time now, so I
Nobody,
highly appreciate
nobody with
your
that, you know, cause bullet a bullet, gun a gun, skin a skin. You understand me I say? Yeah. So we talk.
Alright.
Alright, cool. One thing with that girl that she always feel like she's too bad, you know.
Me can't help myself because me have so much loan upon me right now. This boy has stressed me out, man. So, man.
Yeah, man,
Where are the youth, man? I don't know what more to do with the youth.
Yeah, me reach. Hello, police. You know what? I don't really want to come in at the place, but hear me I say to you, miss. I Davidan girlfriend, right? AKA Tia. We have a name, we have everything on file. Know yourself.
Davidan what?
Listen to me.
Davidan what?
Davidan woman.
Officer.
You see everything wrong, tie up to you, because you bail him 5 times in our system. We have a name down 5 times bailing Davidan in our system. Some don't know why you come give me attitude and tough face like you feel like me come here if have like some argument or something like that. Eh? I'm not your man, you know. And you look like you really have a problem with
Officer,
situations like that.
Here, you have problem?
I don't have no
You come here
Alright.
to take me on.
Really and truly, I want to know one thing. You have any information about the things that your man, which is called Road Runner, has been up to? Are you a part of it, ma'am?
Me don't know not what you talk about, officer. So now come in here so come give me no tough chat in my yard.
I don't think you understand what I'm going here, sir. Your name down at station. Right now, if me want to arrest you, me can arrest you.
Arrest me for what? For bail somebody?
Not for bail somebody, for be a part of a situation which is illegal that is happening right now in this community, this area. What if you understand what I say to you? You think me I waste my time coming on? Eh? You think I look me, I can't look you? Eh? What if you understand what you understand what I want?
I want the fancy Rasta boy, man. You think so through your police you can't come in my yard, come go like you want to give me tough chat in here? Eh? Just tell, what you take out phone for? A video you want video me? Officer, you know say that is illegal. What you video me for?
Me say me a video you?
Eh?
Me say me a video
So
you?
where you take out phone
because
for?
the phone a ring, I don't want the phone drop. Because right now you step to me like say a thing say, well, hey, me tell you this. Me not up to what you up to, me just want to know one thing.
Listen what me I say. Because you see where you come in my yard, come approach me, that is wrong. So just listen what me I say. Listen, you see if Davy innocent or guilty, me not know nothing about that. You understand what me I say?
So
me is me and Davidan is Davidan.
Yeah, but so all of the illegal things them over the years where they with him, you have no idea of nothing at all.
I don't know nothing. I'm a baby father. So even though you come in my yard, I can't talk about me bail him 5 times. I'm a baby father. So yes, me I go bail him. You understand what me I say? But me don't know nothing about Davidan and where I do outer road if he innocent or he guilty.
So as for example now, I want to know one more thing. You ever proposed to you like he want married to you? Or you have any idea about anything when him pastor, like stuff like that, or more to know, because the reason I ask is
Officer, I don't like how you hold the phone there.
I'm
not answer no question until you put the phone in your pocket.
Alright, let me tell you this, because this is for protection. I have a piece I have to know, so yeah. Alright. Is that you declare yourself as innocent? Or you tell me what I need to know. You know me there for your purpose. Right? I don't want to arrest you. I don't want to threaten you. Because you're a woman and you look like you're stressed out with you because you don't know from when you do your head and all these things. As a big woman, what you just there, sit down, walla. So, all me I say, all the activities that this a man I get caught for, you hear about the thing where him a condole with people and married people for money? Eh?
Me hear it on the news, officer.
You hear from the news? So that is, and him is not a part of that whole thing.
Me no know of that.
You know of that?
Because them never declare the people them name. Me only hear upon the news. I don't know who is a part of it. So no come here come question me. Me no know. Go question the people them in the community. You come question me for.
Alright, what me go tell you if you do now is don't skip town, yeah? Don't leave this place, guys. As me see your name down at station and we know where you're there now. And my evidence right here shows me everything. And you see both in going tough and all these things. I don't come this place without my warrant, you know. So you have to understand that. So if me can't come in here, so if me want to come in here, so you understand, and all these things. So don't look at me like that. And me can't, if you say one thing out of the mouth, they want to brush from morning, I will lock you up.
You see if you name one police today?
Exactly.
You see if you name one police today?
Praise be to the Most High. Because if
You
me not
see
gun
if
man
you
or a
never-
bad boy, it ain't different. But listen me I say. Cooperate with the officer and the officer will cooperate with you. See? Your man there jail, he might soon come out because when you catch nothing upon him now. But you know he go already. Because once a criminal, is always a criminal. You understand me I say? You can't call puss dog. So what me gonna say to you this? Me have reason to believe, say, you fear man, Davy, is a part of this whole thing. But me not have no proof that your man is actually a part of this thing.
Hello. X.
Whenever you want to call it X or Y, you understand? Y equal MX plus square is still the part of the area. You understand? You get it? Good. So me I tell you this, do not skip town. Only thing I need now is just a proof. And that's it. Because you're part of it. Your name did it. Have a nice day.
Me say if you never police, I see.
Just not left out.
Sure, somebody steal piece of me having a me house for you. Good fancy ras, good lunny and pork. Jesus. God. Why me, God? Me and the boy there and a stress in my life. I know me and him left. And it come like a more stress and problem. Eh? Just because me and baby mother come like me have to endure everything. So man.
You are going to take me out of poverty. Why am I not on a lie? You ugly man there for money. Jesus. How am I going to stomach this one here? I'm going to try money, I want to steal.
This is what you do, person.
Bro, a business I come myself to deal with.
You rent a bar? That's it.
No, who forgot the bar work? Look for me, look like no want the bar work too.
So what
A
kind of
bigger
business you
business.
have on this area?
Bro, just trust me. You see your sister? Believe in me. This way me I go do a business. But when you say you go? Eh?
Who you look for?
No, I personally I wait upon when me I do business with. That's why me I look so you can't hold up my time, bro.
So me can't wait.
Oh, wait there. Me did to send this in your account, you know. Give this for mommy in medication. A balance.
Yeah, balance. But I 15,000 you say.
Yeah, and this year keep you come like you know no sense. That's why me have to put out me
money.
all, you know, for find good work, for take care of you and mommy. Because see, them give you 20,000, you give me back 15. It no matter, just put this funny, buy something for yourself. Alright, this is for you. Alright, guess what? You can't now hold up. You can't now hold up my time. Guess what? Go and go check who you say you check. Go on. Just trust me, no. Trust me. May you look at
Mommy
sister,
said she
no?
want to see you.
Mommy,
And you know, say she always a worry where you're there. She want to see you. And she said, thanks to the money then where you been. I
tell
said,
mommy say me I call look for him later. Tell mommy
later.
say. Yeah, later. Later, yeah?
Alright, thanks for the money, yeah?
Alright, yeah, that Jesus.
Alright.
Alright, go on. Oh, Jesus. Time for him passing now, but I want there.
Alright, me call you back. Yeah, man. Thanks. Alright.
Sorry.
You alright?
Yeah, we're good.
You have to be careful, you know.
Yeah.
Because I road around fixing everything, you know. You sure you're alright?
Yeah, we're good.
I have a nice day, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
What is your name?
Well, basically, coloring book, but people call me Omar.
Oh. Well, my name is Marika. Nice to meet you,
Marika.
Omar. Thank you for saving my life a while ago.
A simple thing, man. You know, so basically, for me, I you Mr. last night in my dream, an angel, and see them can repair you.
Wow, wonderful.
So, the first time I see you in that era.
Yeah, because me come from up that side.
Oh, phase 3.
Yeah, phase 3.
Well, I used to live in the era and then I leave, you know, and reconnect back in the era. So I just have to sort out some business, get some business done. Basically, car park at car wash, I get it washed and everything. But by look at it, you're like one nice little girl, man.
Yes, I am.
Tell us, you Mr. last night in my dream.
Really?
You know, so basically, me and my phone right down there, so. I'm see her right there, so, but take a picture.
Is it a picture?
But you never take good. Me want to post it on my DP. Me want them could just have a picture in a real life.
Well, yeah, you can have my picture.
Tell you what. Feel like I want to give them my number, you give me your one. Should have them better.
Give me your number.
Alright, cool. Hold on, a number you give you now will cause no problem in your life.
Well, I'm single, so no.
You're sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, if you're not single, you can't tell me I can link you with your element to get no busted, you know.
I'm single.
Alright, believe it then.
Number.
Alright.
Thank you.
Don't save it and don't use it.
Oh, use it.
And one more thing. Just try if you wanna run a race and see who call each other first, yeah? Big up yourself again. You say your name Kim?
Marika.
Just check in. Big up yourself, yeah? Alright.
Problem. But it's not easy. David, what you do ya?
I'm here.
What you do ya? Are you live?
I can't lock me out. I can't lock me out.
What you do ya? That me ask you.
Serious now, I'm coming. I can't.
Me ask you again, cause like you not hear what me say. Me ask you in English. What are you doing here?
Shader just whispering to you.
Man, I come like him take me for joke. David, and you get pleasure in stressing me out?
I'm not stressed out. I'm not stressed out.
You make call.
What me I stress you out with?
Every minute you're in a problem, David, and me and you left. And you make police call me. All a come here.
Come here, come do. The police come here, do.
Can they question me say if me know what they go on with your case and this and that if me involved? What you mean by me not to answer?
Tell the police they're not right to come and question. I mean, no problem, and matter of fact, I'm not even do nothing. Either Rasta boy just see me, I be a slamming some head now, or any of my day for money, me carry my coat. But through me now no money and now things not up like one time. That's why I come in a circle to see if everything good and you're going like you know let me.
David, and me sick and tired of you know. Just come out of me yard, David, and come out of me yard.
I miss me. What make you want?
You're too toxic, brother. Me no miss you, no.
I'm good times them. I just show Because I come from jail and I know nobody to support me. I come to you. You know what I mean? They have to, on a food they not give me. All thing mackerel. I mean, I need mackerel neither.
Oh my. Poor you.
You know, no pity. I just come to look and see if you're alright and you deal with me like me or some
My
stranger.
govern
Or
man.
some idiot dog. Like some sick dog who just feel
Here
down
what?
and
Here
suffer.
what? Me no know long talking with you. Me glad say you come out. That's good. So you must know if you want to put yourself in a problem again. Bye.
I never put myself in no problem. Yo, I'm coming.
I don't want you in your guana your yard, David. Guana.
Hold on. Pause the whole world and make it on the top spin. You never tell me what the police say. And it really have a head for show. Cause that's why I'm calling to find out if I go down. That's why I'm coming right now. And you move one
Man,
time.
me can't touch me now.
See there, I don't need me to touch her. You like him, man. Stop moving. But tell me now, where police get you?
Alright. Basically, what am I say? Get in a whole heap of problem with some female where they marry the man them, get them property, analyze them afterwards. Basically, that him I say. So him think I am a part of the operation.
I ask you a question. Same question I ask you, idiot police boy. So ring for my finger. How am I involved in that? How you believe I'm involved in that? You really believe I'm involved in that? Married people and get rid of them. Why am I do that? Baby, you have to look on it. Your sister not like me. Because I'm a man when I take orders from people. That's what, yes, when me in Nigeria, the boy thump me in my head and do a sort of something for me. And what? Nothing now come out of it. Because what? The system not like me. What am I do about it? Now them have me in a hall and I pull down. I come a area. That burn me most, you know. That's why I make sure I come right here. So. I know you, out of everybody, want somebody who I think I could have look out for.
So let me ask you something. Police are come on my yard. Why you think them a come on my yard? No, talk to me. Why you think them a come on my yard? Me name down a station, you know. Every trouble where you get yourself in a me come bail, you know. And me you know day. So what you expect people them to think? Tell me.
A crime for bail somebody.
And a crime for bail somebody, but me you know day. You know have nobody else can bail you. It's like me a put up with a slackness every time when you do something.
Next time I go down there, don't
And then you can't tell me, boy, you're not involved in a this sitting here. Look for me good and tell me the truth. You're involved or you're not involved?
I'm not involved. I don't know nothing about
You're not involved.
Nothing.
So if you're not involved, Davy,
Yeah.
why you run? Why?
When I get on call the police or search on me, why I don't like police. The first thing as he catch me and slam my head in the wall, he not even ask me why I'm run. Post he did catch me in my yard. When would I do? Huh? I tell you that police they are the idiot because I didn't catch me.
Something not add up with this story where you tell me, you know. Something not add up, but me go leave it right there. Cause I know my business. Just listen. You see, anytime you get catch with the foolishness again, do not call me for bail you. And a matter of fact, me go link your father, you know. Me go link your father and tell him about you and the man sick and tired. You see, if I like you, I would even say me have a father. You hear me tell you? I would even mention out of my mouth say, Daddy, the man sick and tired of you now. Everybody will love you. You just, me don't know what do you. Everybody will love you. You feel them. Me don't know what wrong with you, you know. What really wrong with you, Davy?
I'm telling you something. You know something know what I don't want. It's the best thing I do I left from you, so. Next time I do a jail, don't bail me. Yeah. When I come and I try look boy, you're safety. And you treat me like some idiot dog, so I go here. I see next all that the idiot police girl there. Watch me and her when me. You know, so me I even come over here to Pops. You follow me over here.
So you think she go want to talk to you?
I don't think so. That's the reason I don't want you to follow me.
Boy, when everything's said and done still, then she go want to talk to you. But if she don't want to talk to you, I go try show her reasons,
Would I appreciate it, man, because
if you decide to change, it better for you, it better for me, it better for she, it better for everybody.
that's the greatest thing.
Yeah, so we have to just hope say she take a talk still, because boy she did vex, last time I talked to her and said, boy, in done and it just mash up in life and everything.
I understand the frustration, but I feel like I need to change mostly because of my daughter.
Yeah, man.
Phone talking and helping her, but when I look on it deep, I not think I'm supposed to be a cell and everybody else they are road.
No, but when if they are sell eventually, I want next month I have to take care of your pitney,
And that I think. I'm not like that, because I have to do things back myself then.
Alright, so why? I tell her I talk to you, your mother talk to you, we do all we can, like we never bring you up good. And I remind her some mornings you go. You have your subject them and boy, I don't know. I don't think me or your mother go wrong. I just the company where you choose.
No problem in that. You know the thing though.
Yeah man, because it seems like when you pick them up, you can always put them back down, man.
Yeah man, I change man. I just one thing left for me to
So David, what go down?
The usual.
Boy, Regina, what you love about this?
That's where you talk now.
Eh, where you get bail and come from?
That's where you talk.
Eh, where you come from? Where you get bail?
I know some I love him, but I just say I'm unfortunate. You just always follow me up.
Boy, I saw you bad lucky man.
I see him thing me I say too.
But boy, one thing I can tell you now, if you're glad say your girl come bail you come, I don't know how you did how come out.
So you wouldn't bail me.
Eh? Then say God answer prayer, but boy, I couldn't bail you this time, But he really answer your prayer. Because even though you and the girl left, the girl still love you enough that she come bail you.
But you know what I'm saying, in this real and show me a victim because I don't do nothing. Nothing at all I don't do. They just say allege me not, they not no proof for me whatsoever. This is just a big misunderstanding. And I just a victim in this as far as I can see. But you're right still. Can't come bail me. You have to bail me.
Boy, Virgin, may I tell you say, life rough. So me I wonder, look how much people in our world, boss. What make you they always have come to? You know, so you know how much people in pass on the road before they reach to you?
You have a point. You have a point about that. I don't know.
And the point me have man, me have a whole a quart. I want to, me can tell you, you can't say the girl still love that she still bail you. Maybe I show you like a daughter. But when she come, you know what go on. Evelyn,
Well, good evening. What you doing in my yard?
Good evening. I don't know. I just come to talk to you.
Talk to me about what we don't have nothing to talk about. Come out of my yard.
Please, just give me a little chance, I can talk with man. I can explain to you.
Uncle Barry, me respect you.
Yes, man.
And really and truly me I lose my cool right now. To tell you God Almighty truth. David, what you want?
I just want to talk to you.
Talk.
Well, I say everybody talk to me and I tell me you're right. Even if me not see it that way, but you love me enough to come and talk to me over and over and over. I feel like I go have to make a change. Not for you, not for myself, but for there long enough to be in my daughter's life. When me and I sell, the idiot Rasta police boy, he chat up bag of things. Enough things in chat and I really sorry for. But enough things in chat and we having our intentions. So I now come back a road. I don't really want to live their life there. My life there not really for me. I don't want to be at jail every minute. I get bail. I do bail upon court. I look in a judge face every day. I don't like that. I want to be road and free. I can walk up and down with my daughter. So I feel like I go have to make a change. I want to tell us I really do appreciate you and everything what you do for me so far. I appreciate that to my father. So you give me a word of advice. Say, yo, come make a talk. So what I do right now, I beg you a chance. Not for me, not for you, but for your daughter. Give me back a chance. That's all I ask for.
David, you think it easy? You think it easy for me, David? Me sick and me tired of everything where you put me through. But you know why I'm gonna give you a chance? Me will tell you why. Just because I will pick me. You hear me I tell you? And nothing else. Me I give you one lot. So just know say you walk on thin line. When me say chalk line, me mean chalk line.
You hear that, boss? So remember, you know, when you walk, you take time. You make a chalk line about.
Alright,
Right?
no problem at all.
Right now, see all the rain a come down and now you have your father in a rain. So, I don't know if you want to come in or you go in your yard.
I got me out.
Me and you we talk.
Alright.
Alright, thanks, yeah.
Thanks, man. You really, you know. Boy, I never know say you never really deal with me, know, but when I say love, I say go, man.
Unblock my number, yeah. Come on.
You block him.
Brother,
We are doing in my house.
don't worry about that.
Oh, you get key if you come in my place.
That's an easy 1, 2, 3. But when
You
you
say
talk
me think of one boy in here and video.
I do that one.
Don't do that next time. Don't do that.
Bro, you're weak, Jellyba.
Me glad you're in here. A police just left from over yard, you know, over mommy yard, you know.
So,
I look for you. Say you're involved in some married in business and married people and I take their money.
me not do not like that. They have proof.
And y'all are married and you couldn't invite me a wedding for me and piece of cake.
Bro, you know first me I'm married and you are the first person me have.
Oh, the police has say you're married to 2 men one time.
This is Jamaica, you ever hear
And as you're married to them, so the money gone and you're gone. What happened?
Tell me how that possible. Like,
Sister,
explain to me. Like,
the
that don't make no
police
sense
tell
to me.
mommy that. I mean, even know which side I stood for believe. That it goes
Me
so?
ever lie to you? No, from me a little girl, me ever
So
lie to you?
no go so?
No go so, bro. Me don't know nothing about that.
So police are carry you need go on a station and clear up your name.
Brother, what happened to you? Your man or
Go
your
and go
mouse?
clean
Which
me-
one?
sister.
Alright, yes sir. What happened to you? What happened to your
Mommy blood
girlfriend?
pressure gone up back in.
Mommy blood pressure. So me not send you
Because you
money.
know mommy don't like police.
Listen to me. Mommy alright. Me go send you more money and you carry back a doctor again. Take the police them off for your man. You're afraid of police too much. See all water in your eye. Every time I see police you ball. So I go and fear your woman.
And me alone there, you know. But woman across is no need. Me alone there.
So
You don't need a woman right now. And money me want.
So me not send you money.
What
How
more
much
ask
money
you
me
do?
send you?
Wait, what kind of work? You can't give me a work. What kind of work you do? I feel send too much money to mom.
Bro, as long as you get money, no worry about that. You understand? Just stay in your lane, man. And everything if you know. That's my business.
You just want to know say you're not involved in a while.
So what kind of work you a do? You there come ask me, but you remember say you don't have no money to take care of mommy, you know. And me have to send the money, you know. So you don't have no authority if you ask me that, even though you're my bigger brother.
You know, I don't have spiky welding shop me I work.
Bad.
Me a scrape off a good them. At least me I learn some one trade.
You don't know say a full time for your family come out of poverty. Eh? You know how rich.
Of course more rich.
You don't look so.
Who in this world no more rich?
How much I say for mommy medication them again?
56,000. I know you're not going to have your money, you know. So me,
That lap man, me can't send her that. Just send me back your account number. I'm just send it fast and quick. But anyway, me can't tarry yourself now. Me have to go because me have some business a deal with. You understand? And my boyfriend start call me. Yeah.
your boyfriend. See, I introduce women them.
No man. we just meet and in relationship young. Me don't know if a good man or whatever. Cause you know
Okay,
say me
anytime
always
right,
get
with you,
hurt.
anytime right.
You understand? So anytime right.
Oh, you're good though. Give me a hug, man, because you see you. This is sis. I don't want you to lie to me, because you know, so I know when you lie. So I don't want you to lie to me.
I'm gonna tell you something. You see, all if me a lie to protect you and mommy.
Long I go on a date. I guess me kind of look a bit nervous. As a matter of fact, I already get a drink already.
I can see that. Yeah, pull
Yeah,
it.
man.
Then I know cup with ice.
I guess I'm saying run out of ice. Yeah.
Thanks.
The last time I see you, you're cute. I know I see you a second time and you're cuter.
Oh, really?
Yeah, man. Well, the date didn't even start as yet. It just begin and really glad to say you show up and everything. I enjoy myself. I'm kind of look a bit nervous, you see me? Yeah, smile. Something funny.
No, but why you take Malta?
Well, it's Malta now. Just check it out. Malta want drink to kind of focus and calm your brain.
Okay.
You should try it, you know. Anytime you have a sleep, try to drink a Malta, calm your nerves, you can sleep better.
They're nice though.
Well, winners are always nice. Box, food and everything. Basically, winners is a very nice place, you see me?
Yeah, in here nice.
Yeah, man, it's nice, you see me?
I'm like there so with the glass.
Yeah, very nice, you see me? So tell me, now be rushy.
Yeah.
But, like, what you do for a living?
Me?
You're cute and nice and everything. Like, what you do for a living?
Me no work.
You don't work?
No, I don't work.
Oh, so you tell me you have a business for yourself?
Yeah, I have a business.
Self-employed?
Yes, self-employed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can see that.
Well, in due time, yeah, we know what kind of business we do. Like,
Good. You like your spare time in your life, you have fun. Like, you specialize in party, music.
music. Cause I really like music.
Like music.
Music.
Well,
Yeah.
I guess may share something in common. I love music, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Oh my God, that's so nice.
Very nice.
To find somebody that, you know, you and them share the same thing, have the same passion for something. Yeah, so.
So I
What
guess you're
you
not
do
from
for
here.
your living?
Well, me, you know, when I have my spare time, you know, like to play, like, some people don't call it in America, like soccer. You know, but we call it in Jamaican football.
Football.
Yeah. And then I like to listen to music and calm my brain.
Yeah.
But different from that, I'm a very busy person. You know, I just do business and just keep it like, but a lot of people are really studying me. I'm like a one person who just in a one little lane where you can't study me.
Yeah.
But I like us, different from that. See, all my life, you know, a lot of girls come in my life, but everybody come in my life and just basically come, take and go. That's why I tell you before, say, when you just come in here, a long time I don't go on a date. I'm just try to build myself.
When you say like then come take and go, like what, you're rich or something like that?
Well, to be honest, now I say rich, but I can't help myself.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
I can't help
understand.
myself. Yeah, I mean, I like lazy people. Like every female coming in my life, they just want married. They want me put them on life insurance, you know. So basically, you know, me and you talk, you know, I really like you. Really like you. You see me, but I want to just take it one step at a time if that's alright with you.
Yes,
You see me?
that's okay with me.
Yeah, man, I kind of like that. You see me?
I'm really glad you called me out for do something like this.
A
Free
matter
my
of
mind
fact,
and suffer.
when you reach out to me and call me, say, yo, we can have a good drink or something, you know, it's okay, it's alright. But basically, there's some business I'm going to take care of. So, as I say, a long time I go on a date, so I really enjoy myself. You see me? So, after the date, like, what you plan to do?
Plan to go home.
Plan to go home.
Go look for my mother because I have a sick mom, you know.
A sick mom.
Yeah, my mom's sick. So me, I want me to take care of her because my brother now really so righty. My brother now work. He not have much sense. You understand if you
Well,
know?
after the date, you know, me have some business me I go try sort out and everything. A matter of fact, it's been a while when me in a community now, me have a brethren that I really want, so I want to reach out because my brethren like that. Me and him go school and everything, so he even knows that I'm in the community. So basically, I feel like I will link him, you see me? You understand? So you say, a second date, a third date, or we see what about it?
We see what go on. We see what go on.
Right.
Evelyn.
Evelyn. I go with.
What the hell happen?
Nothing.
Girl, I just come off a date with the man when we meet, you know.
You just come over?
One date.
Eh, that sound good.
But I know how much month now, and I feel like I trust you, you know. I feel like I can tell her what kind of job I do. Because you been ask me, you know, what kind of job I do. And you look like you're one of the type who can come in a crew. Because I want a crew where you work, you know. So it look like you can come in a crew and do the type of work we do. But the type of work we do, we go up on the internet. And we search for rich man, and then we married to them, and then we analyze them. What happened to you? You don't want to work?
The work they sound like a prison work, brother. But you're my friend.
I'm scared.
No, man. When you say me want to work?
Yeah.
Yes, me want to work. Would I love the work, then my friend? What you mean?
And money you making now.
So,
rich and you have pitney to take care of, so you can take care of pitney.
And a whole heap of money?
Whole heap of money. Remember, so when they get their life insurance, you get every money where they have in their bank. Remember, so you're their wife, you know, so you get everything.
You know what more when they work there? Come like say God make me be a friend for a reason.
Yeah.
Me like that.
So we can set up on the link, so me send all the information, then we feed the ones.
Shut me information, my friend, what they talk about?
When we go home,
yeah.
we shut your information.
Say alright though?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh. Yeah, me there cool. You know what I want work.
But if you tell the truth, you're just a starting about me and my last mission with the plan. This is a final one for me.
And your last mission with the plan?
The last one with the plan.
So how much mission so?
10.
Eh? 10?
10 of them you have to do.
Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself, mama. Me got this. You see this a 10 mission we are talk about? Make it 13.
No. You have to tap at 10, mama.
At 10 me have to stop?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, you know, I got jail. Me never tell you nothing about this.
No speak no jail over my life.
No speak
neither for your life. We not got no jail.
But just tell her, say, tap your 10. When you want to go away at 13, you're too greedy. You want too much.
Easy, you know?
Name little and name long. You want name long.
Boy, it's not easy, you know. So what you know? The last mission we see the pan. And I want no help.
And why would I want help on my mission?
No, me mean like
I'm so mad.
You know have no little information you would have to send me or one picture.
As me tell you before, me will send you the information when you have your first duty to go on. Me will send you information by your phone, and that's it. My mission and my mission. My mission cannot be your mission. It's why we can't have target per one. Somebody, you mad?
Alright, mama, go easy now, man. I'm excited. Excited for the little work where you're telling me.
You're not even start to work yet, but you want 13 person. You're not even know half of what you have to go do, mama. Eh? What can I go so? Anyway, later. We link up.
Alright, no see how early now. Alright, big up yourself.
Yeah, man, you too.
Partner. Good evening. Me have some serious information for you. Me go send it to your phone right now. Yeah, me just record it. Alright.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, no further. Back a road again.
Yeah.
What do you mean, man?
Yo, if I never feel all the police boy turn out, I believe me, so I'm not get old.
I hear what go on, you know. I don't want you feel like, say, you're free like a bird. You see me? Because I hear what go on. Not true, they don't find nothing upon you down there. A couple big link me have to make you can turn up yourself right now with me. You see me? Because the Rasta police boy, them realize them play hard. You see me? Because I say they know about we, you know. And they know say we think crazy. You know, small. You see me? So I have to make up a big link down the road there. Down on the station there. You see me? So I come they can do so. We hear what go on. Really and truly. I want you hold on for this. But I don't want to get mixed up again. But so we have a couple big projects forward we need for knock down our ground, you know. You see me?
Yeah.
We can't waste no time with them there.
I mean, man.
So watch out. Hold on for this.
Be active.
Active. Tea tonight, everything. Just not want to get mixed up.
Mess up with my father, man. Everything you give me good enough.
So I go on down for the cell. None of them boy there and then I try to talk around the thing.
Father, who for do that, man? You're mad, man. Boss everything mad just to see him, you know. He even do. You know? Plus, father, you see all the police boy will catch me. You know what I'm saying? Couldn't hold me do a comedy madder than him. And a new police girl they have down there. Cause him come like he have down a station too.
I lie tell which police girl?
I don't know, he mass up. When me run from the boy, I don't know how he find me. I know which way me I take. I saw me see him pop off the gun for me, I just have to freeze.
I watch ya. A normal settings that, man. Fair operation, so deal with. You see what I say? But right now, I want to see my boy me say in a place, you know.
Yeah.
We're forward from the mobile side, you know. And the dog normally go to school, and the man they normally fight war for me in high school.
Yeah.
But them the man they even know something dangerous now. See, I'm done in my place. And the man they know say I'm govern the ground now. You see me? So right now, I want to go check it out. I want to reason to why me all gear this off a lock off. So as me say, don't make it get messed up. You see me? So here I go and check it out, you see me? Coloring book.
Yeah.
Lock off that safe, watch your road, and watch your board the same way. Even though you pull a link and you forward out, but we never trust who?
Nobody.
Just do so and do so. One in the head and nothing in the chamber. You get it?
A long time.
I hit me and look bad.
Active, man.
Fully. Room.
One in a head and nothing in a chamber. Jaja. One puppy done.
Watch you, man.
Watch you, man.
We are dealing, father.
Jaja, youth.
Long time I don't see you.
Yo, you don't even know my father. Nothing change, you know.
Yo,
General.
General.
You link the right way, no current gone and the fritz still a walk, you know.
Man, nothing change,
Oh,
man.
God, my friend,
Dog,
man.
see you here.
Jaja, youth.
Pick up yourself, man.
So what go on in my place?
I there,
In a while now, fresh back in my place. Our top shotter is back.
What you mean?
No, top shotter is back, but the top shotter is still here. So I want my father, my brother, my general.
Yo, you know
Oh
what I'm saying?
God, man.
I today me I talk about you though.
Oh gee.
One of my little link then showed me. And I said, guess who in our place? So when somebody I tell me that, me I say, yo, you sure? So I say, yeah man, I spot the general, I make a little pass through man, and when me see him, me frightened. So me I say, hey, the same time I so come now, me ring a bird and say, yo, link me on the block, and you say, of
God,
course
man.
me have to link you.
Cause you know
But me
some
just like this all the time.
plan for link for you, link there from long time and get yourself a star and get a shot. But you know through me jump in the place, some little thing going in my place.
Yeah, that's
You
show
see
me
me?
upon the
Cause
bird.
you know no. Money I make, bro. No joke. But you see when money I make, friends are gonna turn enemy.
True,
You see me? And people when you rate you and love you, them are gonna love you just because. Cause my mind that just money come like a big load of dump. So in time you start make the money, I say fly them will come through. So corruption target and me have to shut out police and enemy I look for me. So I come back in my place. But yo, watch out.
So I make you jump back down now.
Watch out, man. Dash that. We can chat about that next time. Right now, I long to see a place, bro. And I just feel like I want to come chill out and link my real friend them. I not talk the fake one them, I talk the real one them. So you are first link me make.
That's a code, man. What you
God,
mean,
man.
father, man?
Big man. So where you deal with what go on that place? Where you deal with?
Boy, you know me there, as usual.
Cause I been here on the news, say Whitehall and Red Young now go on good enough.
Yeah,
I know
man.
say, yeah boy no. Yeah no one normal boy no.
Nah, man, me good, man, you know. Nah, I do nothing, man. I behave myself, man.
Cause you have a brain, you know.
Remember say when me I go to school, you know. Remember say you know man who are for me. So you tell me say
Yeah,
no,
but me
man,
always
nah,
worry
man,
for you,
boy.
but you're a brain man. Sometimes I have all 40 soul there your foot and I can't know. Anything me know what you want me to know, you know my friend.
Ah man, me calm, man. Nah, do nothing, man. Me just go and hold them and watch them, man.
But
You
yo,
see me?
as I chat about that dog, as I drop in a place, dog. Cause as I say money I make dog, most of the girls I drop in my life, I just say money them want, they want married, they want me put them on life insurance. And I say it can't work, so I just humble and I go on easy. But me book a girl that just step in at the place.
I lie.
Yeah, bro.
And then pretty filly there.
I want to tell her say she pretty on the outside. Someone jump
True,
in
yeah,
her life
yeah.
and find out what go on in her heart.
Yeah, nah,
You see me?
inside.
Cause when I watch your prettiness, you know, her heart want to find out.
True,
Bring her up on a date already bad, bro.
I say you go on.
Yeah, me all tell him about you, say me I come link me dog, bro.
Yeah, mean man.
Jaja.
Me nah tell a man, say me I talk boy, man, and I tell enough family little soldier them to say, it's a coloring book. Them
God,
the
my
man, they
friend.
normally
Yes,
war
them,
for
bro.
me at
Oh
school,
God,
man.
my friend, man.
Them the dog, they take care of me when me
Yeah,
there,
dog.
man, you see me?
Oh God, my
As
friend,
we
man.
say, nothing no change, man, a one link, man.
But more you meet her still, you know. Cause you see anything you say. Remember say your brain work like one over man, you know, good and bad, you know. If you say she can't go on, she can't go on, you know.
One idea them man, I just knock your location from a bird,
Watching
man,
the
and
man.
we make a bird fly and reach
That
over
a
them,
code,
man,
my
you see
friend,
me?
man. So yo, what go on, where you do now? Like what kind of work where you do? Like, you see me?
Well, you know what I will tell you the truth, though, father. On and off, you see me?
Watch on, man. Just
On
like
and
how
off,
you
man.
have, you see me, like you did it for me and me did it for your dog. Nothing change. So whether you make money or you not make money, and me I make money and you make money, I see him connection, my father. You are go on.
Dear father, me say
You see
nothing no
me?
change,
Watch
boy,
on,
you know.
man. 100 that, you know.
What?
You see me, go shopping.
What?
Anytime
Coloring
we
book,
link up and
respect,
nothing
you know,
good,
man.
Me I
Nothing no
bring mama
change, you know.
come show you make you pass him. Cause you say if you pass him and say up, and you say if you pass him and say rrr.
Right now,
Watch
this come
out.
like when you have the fitness by your bike, you have to carry and pass it.
You're smart. Insurance, you have nothing over
Yo, big up yourself.
Room, you know.
One in the head.
And nothing, you know.
3 in back.
That a cool.
You
Hear
get
that?
it?
Long time.
Ah.
Yeah, hello? Yeah, B. Oh, babes. Yeah, man, just come in your lane, man. You know, see me van park outside. Yeah, me the right at my gate. Just about to go inside. Yeah, man, just come in your lane. Me the right at the gate. Alright, babes. Alright. Babes. I'm right here. Take your time, baby. Take your time. Because if you fall, I just want you to fall in my life, all the way in my life already.
Good evening.
Oh my God. So what's up? Check say you never I go bother forward.
From me tell us something I come back with you. Yeah.
Oh, you know, I'm look how get together places, you see me? Look dark and everything, but I watch you look.
Why your house look like that?
Meaning what you try to say. I hear some live, yeah, I hear some live like expect a mansion.
Yeah, basically, yeah, you can say that.
Tell you what. You know the reason why I need to tell you to come link me? Yeah, date a talk in a relationship for the longest while now, and it's not really easy to trust people, but I feel like I can't trust you. You get me, and you ask me from how long to engage you, marry you, and put you up on your life insurance, but one step at a time. Because most of the females who come in my life, them just come to take things and go. I not see that in you. Because from here you talk, I do your ear, I give you money, a lot of money, but you never ask me for nothing. So I just about to go inside, pick up some stuff. I'm matter of fact, I see my vehicle park outside.
Yeah, I see it on the front.
So one important step I will make. I will show you. Don't watch this. This is just a face card. I will show you what I do and what I do for your living and how my wealth come together.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah, we're ready for a long time.
Alright. No problem. So. So you are going now, babes. As what I tell you, feel like I can't trust you. Get what I say?
Yeah.
So you see all of them, also what you see over there, every one of them, that's how I make my money. That.
Yes, sir?
All of them also you see over there, so all of them, that's how I make my money. And that are not yet, that come like a silver in the pocket. When I reach to pay for it. Yeah, Airbnb. Yeah. I mean I talk. Every area, every location, every parish.
That's nice. Oh.
So when you see me down, so you ask me if I just some live that I just keep low. You see me? Yeah.
So babe, that's why I tell you if you married me, you know.
You want a man?
Because let me tell you something. This is my mother always tell me say a good home. To make a good home, you have to be a wife. So if you're not a wife, you can't make a good home.
That's true. That's true.
For you trusting me now and see say yeah me a good woman and everything, that I show you say you have to marry to me and put me for your life insurance.
That's true. I tell you what, I think about it. I make you know by a weekend. You see me? But as me say, weekend alright there so. Weekend alright there so be right there so. This is a start, you know. This is a start. I make you know what me do for your living, how me make money. Money! A matter of fact, make you get a closer look. Yeah. Babes. Yeah man. Everything we see, so all of this is how me make my money. Yeah man. Just build up apartment, you know, rent them out, Airbnb.
Nice, man.
Very nice, you see me? Yeah. Where you do your shock?
Like, yeah, to my heart.
Yeah man, us. Yeah man, us man. 1 second, you know, so business call is, yeah. Yeah, hello? Yeah man. Yeah, contractor, you know, so I mean to call you. Yeah man, I just show me I take care of some business right now. Yeah, me come look at the house man. Thank you for the project. Yeah, you move very, very fast. I have to go fling down 2 more Kyle, you know, on your pay and, you know. Yeah man, thank you man. You work very, very fast. Alright, I'll soon give you back a link here. Alright, hold up for respect. Alright, thanks. Yeah man. Yeah, at the person I work on the house, you know.
Oh, okay.
So as what I say, this is the first step when I show you, say trust again. Because when I run down trust, when I look trust, when I buy trust, when I trust. Again. You see me? And you know, yeah man, big man thing.
I like the one the more.
That one?
Yeah.
That one you're gonna respond to it. The key, you are gonna run it off. Matter of fact, I have a bridging I want to introduce you to. And when I talk about bridging, I talk church, I talk Bridging. Yeah, man, when I'm a general.
Okay.
So, after you.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'm nervous.
Nervous who?
Meet a
No, my
friend.
friend cool, babes, man.
Sure.
Very cool. Very, very cool. Rum, rum, rum! Rum, rum!
That's what you call a friend?
One in a head.
Nothing a chamber.
Enough in that chamber. Earn, man. Yo,
Pick
every
up
time you
yourself,
come
you know.
link here.
I queen this.
Yeah, not the machine. The queen, not the machine.
Yeah, man.
The queen. Remember, so I been a tell about her, you know, from the longest while, you know, a couple months. Well, I know, me I tell about her. Say, yo, she are the one. Tell her, say, yo, me I bring her come in the juice. So, you know, Puppy Dan, me general. Marika, my queen. Puppy Dan.
Pick up yourself, Marika.
Alright, Papa.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Good you, man. You hear that? One color and book.
Alive.
I'm a general, you know.
Life, man. So, watch her now, you know, bro. Anyway, you see her in the street, man, you make sure.
Father,
she say, alright,
you know how I go on. You know, say my general them out in the street rate me, you know.
Yeah.
You know, say from a year link, you
Yeah,
know, say
everything
a
go
family
on.
to me.
Oh, God, my
So watch you
friend,
know. You know what me need from you?
Yeah.
A group picture, man.
Oh God, you need to have
What you
to
mean, man?
Remember, son, you saying,
So
man.
watch you know. I have to show my charge them out the
Yeah,
road.
man,
Say,
oh, God,
yo,
my friend, man.
anytime I see my general, man, I protect
Queen.
him. Ah, sorry.
No
Anytime
machine.
you see my general,
Yeah,
queen,
daddy, man.
you
No
protect
machine.
him, because we know what my
Yeah,
general
man,
them
quick
rise in my
and
sheet.
fast, man. I mean, daddy, man.
Picture, man. Hold on, man.
That a cool.
Oh,
you see
there
me,
you know,
room,
father.
man. So, 1 second, I'm general. Be, I know you not feel good, so you can't just feel for me over the yard. You see me?
Alright. You mean?
Oh, my apology. Remember, the gate, you just press the button and let yourself in. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Puppy
Big up.
Dan.
Alright, Marika, big up.
Oh, God, my friend. Look good, you know, daddy.
I feel the one, the
Oh,
general.
watch out, daddy. Room.
One a night.
1 twin in a head. Yeah, man. As when I said that, I'm going to try a lot with the ladies and dog. Every girl just want to come grab, but I feel like she can make a difference in her
Watch out now.
life, you see me?
The girl, I mean, sorry. You see your queen there.
No machine.
You know, say the one day, a she for represent for your
God, my
business.
friend, man.
I believe
Jaja, man.
she have everything secure. The one day, I if you look
You
about.
know, say, she never asked me for your money yet. Me do years, she never look for me and say, oh.
So now that me I try to tell
Me
her
give
right
her
one that man.
300,000 what year.
Eh?
And she buy underpants, marina. All of them things.
Out of your money for you.
My money, so that, yo, I can't use them, I use them.
You're mad. Use way.
You see me? What do you give me all my card, me test my card, and give me card. And when me do so boom, because I don't know, so I have can rope on the phone, you know. When I send you my machine, I say I'm going to draw for 100,000 to deal with that thing. You see me? For your mother. When I do so boom, 100,000 come off, because I remember say we can't check it on the phone.
Right.
A she, man.
A
Two
she,
different,
man.
so we're up on different.
You know, say a day I'm there. You know, I go and water to our flowers in my yard. I'm here record, so from here record,
Oh,
you know,
God,
so
my
I have to
friend,
come
man.
out. You see me?
Yo, watch out now.
So you stay though, because you know, say right now, kind of weak on the fun still. Me nah, if I know still, you see me?
Yo,
But
I
if
know,
I yes, me
a
appreciate
good
it.
while I know I not give her money still in my
True,
dog,
true,
but just
true.
give me a little time. Just
So
give
it
me a
could
little
have happened in a day,
No.
because in a night, I
Need
did
was
one rope.
silver. Need was silver, me now.
Judge, but
Alright, hold
me
on.
understand still, man.
Hold on, my father. Hold on. Because, you know, I don't really feed you, I feed the dog, but you're my general. Alright, here we go on. On toes, just, you know, just hold on on that, man. You see me?
You say it's a 1,000 me I get.
Yeah, it's a toes. You
Oh,
see
so
me?
I'm to them 5G bill.
Oh, them are kind of taking right now. Them are up on
So
consignment.
them a single.
Yeah, that moment, then yeah. Them
I
are 5,000
respect for you,
discount.
my father, because normally
Don't
I
worry
some big
yourself,
brick
man.
you give me still in some my big money, them in like
Me I take
100
care of
and
some
something thousand.
business.
So
So in time them business don't take care, so them 500,000 me used to give you. Again.
Ah,
Watch out,
man.
man. Not say 40 or 50, 39 good.
yeah,
Room!
one in the head, man. No, me not understand. Bossy normally give me pay 100,000 and 300,000, you know. But if from bossy get that little skittle, there, bossy I can give man $1,000. Alright, now worry yourself. Yo, Davidan. I hear what going on, father. I just shot one picture, you know. You see me, because them people feel like they can grow on me, you know, because same boss them I tell you about name, coloring book. Dog normally give me some 300,000 and them the style of dog, and man can link me a while ago and pop out on 5,000 like cutter. You know how much man give me? $1,000 give me for a style thing in the pan.
Father, like you tell me, when me get rid of him right now.
No, watch her now, no.
Right now.
I'll slap your picture up on the bird right now. So watch her now. You see the girl there? More you make me know who she be. No, right now. ASAP. I'll shot her picture right now on the bird. As me talk, I'll shot her picture.
Alright.
Check your WhatsApp. That's send off. You get it?
Long time.
Look about it right now, cause I need to know who she be. No, my father.
Alright.
Yo, if I not David and I call me, I can't take no call right now, you know. See all the girl the youth. I must stop man food in the youth and make boss here come give man all 1,000 line. And boss normally give man all. Yo. David and this so long, man. Yo, David and who she?
Yo, you know what I'm find me know look a program and find out how we.
Talk to me now, talk to me. What go on?
That girl there, one of that girl them, they grown and I married him and them. And divorced them like 2 weeks after. And then the worst part about it, I get rid of them.
What this man?
All of them business, everything they work for just fall and I fear in them. Because you know how we go for them dead.
So you try to tell me say, a chicken come round and I try chicken and then?
Yeah, I try to tell us that girl you want demon.
If you take one insurance money and one bag of thing.
Yes, that girl you want demon.
Alright, watch you now. Don't worry yourself. I look about it.
Alright.
Chicken and there no more. And if bossy ram to all him get it to. Cut them out, clean.
Alright.
Not so far to me, General. No, me should trust the girl in the youth. But right now, she even know so me have all her deep secret and lies there. And don't worry yourself. Hit me and look bold. Yo, coloring book. Coloring book. Where you say Dan gone?
You know, so I get a call for some construction calling for go for a place.
Yeah, what go on? Really and truly, a coloring book me did come to still, you know.
In a day, you want me to leave a message for you?
Yeah, what go on? I never really coloring book me come to, you know. You me come to. Hey, you see you now. No, listen to me, I say, watch you, man. You're going like say, you're all that perfect. Like you're the perfect one for my general. But listen to me, I say.
But me just meet you, so why you come and attack me like say, you're a bulldog?
No.
Me not like this.
Why you listen to me, I say. Me a talk, you listen to me, I say.
So when
You come around here with your bag of secret and lies. And me know your thing what you do for your living. Me know say, my general, you don't want him.
Who tell her that?
Listen to me, I say, no, man. I'll show you something. Because I like talk and have proof.
Where get this? Where you get this from?
When I get this,
What's under this?
when I get it, me know say you are grown and I take every man and I marry them and put them on life insurance and get their money. And say, after you do all of that, you unalive them. You never know some of that serious, don't you?
Where you get open?
You don't need to know all of that. But you say, this what I have now, you have to go pay me. Hold on. Give me a 360. Give me a 360. Yeah, man, you got it. But you know what really are going? You know, say from you forward in a done life. My general normally give me pay 300,000 or 500,000. And a while ago, you know how much money man give me? $1,000.
So I don't mean make it.
What you mean, I you? Because me know what you depend. And I not cover up with no secret and lies. You see, if you can't go with what me say, you don't go know what you depend. So watch you now, no? I want piece of the body there.
Piece of what?
What you mean? And ask you. Tell me, I tell you. Like a general there, I will do it right.
We can't do this one other way.
And ask me, I tell me, I tell you. Pull the gate.
Wait, no.
Color and book can't manage your body there. Yeah, man. Love it, man. You like it?
Come feel like something one time and you force me to do it. Me never do it willingly.
Alright, here what I go on now. If you are really a go on now, we need to move with coloring book ASAP. Because if the life insurance money there, you need to get it, and me need to get it. You need money, and me need money.
How am I gonna get any man that married to me yet, you idiot?
Just listen to me and say no man. And me I run the program, I know you. I just
So
you have to just do it
you
official.
feel like you want to come and take over everything as well, yeah? What you think you're done?
So what you what try to do? You feel like you want to come and take over it? You want me share information to him what you want to do?
You're the dear.
So you would dare for try mess up with me and tell you to do.
Damn it. Alright,
Listen
what
to
you
me
say
and say
now?
now. If you want to come home,
Mm-hmm.
you're going to need to talk to him. We need him to get a one location.
It don't make no
But
sense when me wait till he come home. It makes sense me call him and tell him if he meet me at one location and you do the rest.
So that me I try to show you. You need to kidnap him
When?
any moment now.
Today?
I have to link my virgin name David and we deal with the situation. So you have to call me and let me know when to send him on the location.
Alright, so we're
So
not
as of today, me and you are link.
Hmm?
We need to deal with this.
Me and you what?
Link.
Okay.
And we are going to solve all our problem.
Me and you link.
And that me say a while ago.
Alright, me and you link.
So just do it right. And let me know what I'm going.
Alright, I'm going to call him. I wonder if the fat boy I know who him a ramp with. And me, near America, get that in your dumpster. It's called a bright. But you want to come take over my program? You must be mad. Watch me and you. Babe. Hey, me dey go shop to get some stuff, but me not get one more. So guess what? You remember when we did go on our first date? Yeah, me want to go back down there. So yes. So meet me down there in the next 5 minutes. Yes. Love you too. Alright, later.
Yeah, so what you know? Hello?
Yo, confident.
Yeah, where you say I go on now?
Yo, me I tell us I make a call and I tell him to beat me and winners, you know winners?
Yeah, winners.
Yeah, so that's a crime would have to go on.
Alright, so what you know? What more you do now? You say tomorrow when you go on the location,
Yeah.
just ring my phone and let me know so I can send my virgin David on. Because we need to move him from winners. So what you know? So when him call you, all you need to do, I tell him if you get all in the traffic. I don't want you to turn up at the place. David and go deal with it.
When again?
Anytime tomorrow when him call you and I wonder how you not reach it, more you tell him if you're in a traffic, although you're not left for where you're still, you know. But I don't want you run the operation. David and go deal with it. So David and go down a winners and wait for him tomorrow.
David and I forget one picture of him. David and know him.
Don't worry yourself, man. Everything active.
Alright, are you have everything in your hand and so you have to do what you have to do.
Yeah, man. Respect.
Alright, do you right.
Alright, David, and say, so me I try to show you.
Yeah.
Say tomorrow, she go call my bird. When the dog reach and winners. So me I go want you down there, wait for him. You see me? No laughing. You understand? Remember, you know, move him and camp on the location, you know. You see me? Because the life insurance money there, we have to got it. I grow on my dog. I style my thing. Remember, so I don't send a picture of it on your phone.
Father, no
Or
boy.
who coloring book be.
Father, no boy can't style me general, you know. Me can't
That
tell
me I
like
try
my
to
real
show
life.
you. You can normally give me 200,000 and 400,000. You look for me and give me 1,000. Eh? I burn them and I go burn them over your house there.
Father.
Yo, watch out, go hold a drink and clear mind. Because darkness right now, you know.
I mean, man.
What you say, take them active for tomorrow?
Father, what you talk about, man?
That's a code, my friend.
Alone darkness, man. Come in.
One in the head.
Nothing in a chamber.
You get it?
Then know we are danger.
America. Yeah, man, I'm just checking if you're still coming, because I'm at the first. I'm at Winners, you know. Yeah, the place where you tell me to meet you. Yeah, man, the first time when you go out on the date. Oh, traffic. All right. Yeah, hurry up and come. All right. All right, love your babes, yeah. All right.
Yo, Damos. You're all going, you me come for. And then tell myself to bring her back alive, but me no feel like more bring her back alive. So here we go on. I tell her what to do. If you make a wrong move, right, that's something I left your body. You understand me? I tell her, say,
General, a mistake.
you come boy, my dad don't make mistake. You want me make your body missing too? Tell her what go on. What's up? Put on your hand then. What, normal? Walk up, man.
I want me to go.
Walk up, man. Brother, get up, man. Charge it. Come in, man. Come in, man.
Help!
Man, you come here.
Help!
You can't kick all that one. You're far from civilization. Just wait till you come back for you too. Yo, tap a nice now, man. I know my boss make me carry now. This a boy a fat one now. Boss, you come in now, man.
Your call has been forwarded to.
I call this man one more time, I want to get him now. That means I get boss, you want me to get rid of him. Boy, if you hear sick, you better walk boss now answer. Hear me, I tell you. I like man too. Bossy. Hello.
Well, go on.
You know what I'm carrying the boy though? And then I look a safe house.
Where's everything good with him?
The boy make bag of nice and sit. I did want to give him two tight, you know, but everything good, man.
Alright, here we go on now.
Yeah.
Because at the time I did want to run some program, you know. But I did make a little run out and I deal with some little few things.
Yeah.
I load up on the machine. So watch you know. I see him location and I tell us to let him up in a warehouse.
Right, that's all.
Alright, so that's making intended. Just lock up the place and make sure you cover up his face.
Yeah, man, all of that though.
Yeah, man, lock up it and tomorrow we deal with the code.
Alright, no problem night then.
Alright, make sure no way no did the thing get well, you know.
Bossy, what kind of way, man? Oh gosh,
Everything safe.
Yeah.
Alright,
Man.
that's cool.
Right, I'll change my hairstyle and start over my life.
Boss, what me do? Yeah, man. Yeah. Puppy Dan.
You talk about puppy Dan? Eh? You not fear grow on me.
Puppy Dan, what is for?
You don't know what this for?
What me do? Babes.
What you mean by babes? You don't know say a girl where you're there with is a gold digger. All along from me and your virgin, you always deal with me good as a virgin. And as you get her in your life, you do business about me as a virgin again. When man link you for money, you tell me say you're not happy.
Puppy Dan,
You
me do
come call her
everything for you.
babe.
Me
You
give everything for you as a friend.
Give me everything as a friend. You
Marika.
know say you're woman. And me and her in a business.
Marika, what is a chew him attack?
Yeah, boy, I chat too much and just dash it on a bad bro.
Yeah, watch this. Yeah, go about this one. Just don't go fast. Oh, and another thing. You know how long me I tell her if you married me? Or put me on your life insurance? I not do it. So anything I get, you take.
No, Mrs. Say you want gold digger.
Your woman are grown.
Babes.
And married people and left them in a 2 week. But you are going to suffer a consequence.
Remember, get rid of weapon when you're not done.
Alright, babe. Room.
What goes around, come back around.
I'm gonna get shot in my godfather.
Him good man. Left him for bleed out. We say it a record?
Yeah.
Glory to the Lord. Watch on a man for your voice and see your face. You don't know say a puppy Dan. You know me represent for True World TV and I made it to the end of this movie. Thank you all for watching. And remember, you know, people, you see the channel a peer movie coloring book I look about over the channel. So make sure say when you always tune in. Whole heap of fun you go have over here. So whole heap of laugh. You understand? So you go and stay tuned to your channel. You understand? I first movie this. As I say, more and more go forward. So you just go and watch it and big up the whole team. We participate in the movie. One True World TV. You get it? Long time.